Yo, what's going on? It's 6:47, and today I made. Well, let me show you the time. 6:47, and actually in class right now. I fucking drove to the school and then found out I had Zoom. So I was there like 10 minutes before class started. I found out I had Zoom, so I had to come back home, and yeah, here I am in class. But I'd rather do my journal. Uh, yeah, degree's good and all, but I'm not gonna use it. I know that the way my goals align, I'm not gonna end up using it, to be 100% honest, and I feel that way because I don't want to be stuck in the average or like mediocrity kind of thing that I feel like I can be so much greater than that. The school system kind of just guides you work for someone, work for someone, work for someone. That's all I fucking hear in all these classes. So yeah, I'd rather do this because this actually works towards my goals and does not want to keep me stuck in a pattern. But anyways, yeah, let's get into today where I made $0, taking zero trades. And yeah, let's take a look at the chart. So prior to market open, we fucking dumped. We dumped, created equal lows. That's when we started ripping upwards. So on this rip up, we can take a look that ES stayed below the dump. This pre-market dump off, ES stayed below it the entire time, and that kept it that kept this external SMT. The higher time frame as well kept it 15-minute. Oh snap, my bad. And even the hourly kept it through. So we had a higher time frame SMT, and NQ was ripping, bro. The uncorrelation led me to uncertainty as well. But with NQ ripping, I was essentially seeking longs because I thought ES would follow. And my target was this 4 hour because we don't really have AM high, London high from previous and all-time highs. So we are kind of close to all-time highs. Came into the day with a bullish bias. We have this 4 hour above, which I would use like as a reaction point to see what price wants to do. And as you can see, as soon as we tapped it, we did end up dumping off. But yeah, let's stick to morning time. So we left behind all these gaps. We left behind this 5, and a 15 in between here. Now, I do want to say that in hindsight, I think that the reason why I feel like I missed out on this trade bouncing off of the 4 hour to the 15 is because it played out. Look at all this. Look at all this clear bullish order flow. So why essentially like in the time being, I'm like, I don't want to short. Like I think, okay, cool. I want to get into one of the gaps, but I want to react off the gap. And with this trade right here, this 1 minute bouncing off of this 15, the problem with it was we had a 2. Right. So with this, where's it at? Bouncing off the 15. This 2 minute, right? And look at how much it displaced. I believe we also had a 3 minute on that. No, it was just a 2. It was just a 2. Off the 15. Yeah, my bad. But yeah, look how much it displaced, right? So boom. And then we came all the way up here, and I'm in my head now. I'm like, okay, cool. If price really wants to rip, it's not going to come all the way down back to this gap because we had already traveled 18 points away from it. I wanted to see this candle stay below here, one of these two, and then I would have been okay limit ordering it. But what would we have targeted? Because this 4 hour was already filled. AM highs? No, not really. It would have probably been all-time highs, which at this point in this, it's like, in my head, I'm like, for a 2 to 2.8, I'm like, not the best draw. So, yeah, we're in bullish order flow, but we don't have those draws left. Like, had we still had that 4 hour, I would have been okay with taking it. But it was like the draws were so weak, and the displacement on that candle was nice. But honestly, we just came too high up. And I didn't want to set the limit. And yeah, that's about really all it was today. Today was very uncorrelated between the two assets. A lot of SMTs. A lot of SMTs. I seen a few shitty trades play out. I seen a couple shitty trades play out. I believe this was one of them. Look at this shitty ass inverse. Look how long it took to inverse. 12 minutes. And I know for certain people took that trade to the 4 hour. I think that's shitty. This 1 minute wasn't terrible, but with this much bullish order flow, I know myself. I'm going to be looking for the continuation. I'm not going to be trying to find that mech model and kind of like this early in the session and kind of like quote unquote essentially waste my one trade of the day, because I will only be taking one trade a day. That is my rules. So yeah, I think like in the time being with all of this bullish order flow, the SMT was solid though. Can't lie. But yeah, with all of this bullish pressure, I think I would have, in my head, I'm like, okay, cool. We're gonna continue up to all-time highs, and we're gonna get a nice, um, we're gonna get something nice out of it. But yeah, I don't know. Something about this 2 minute just didn't sit well with me, especially because we did come up this high, and I don't want to see us come back down all the way down here once we do get that high. Now my break even point wasn't right here, but I did want to see us stay under right there. I don't know. I just felt like had we start displacing, you see how strong this displacement was? We get a fucking 24-point candle right after. I don't want to see you come back down, bro. You don't give me confidence. So I just left it, let it be. Had it played out, I would have been cool. B minus setup played out. C plus setup played out. Cool. I'm not mad at it. This 1 minute, the long 1 minute long, same thing. What are we targeting? And we have a higher time frame. But at the end of these two trades, what did they get? Oh shit, let me use the long too, motherfucker. We get stopped out. We don't even get break even. Right here is break even. Or even right here. We get fucking stopped out. We don't even see break even. There's 1 minute we would have at least. Where's it at? On this 1 minute we at least would have gotten break even. What break even right here? So cool, bro. What did I miss out on today? Nothing. I didn't take a trade, but I didn't miss out on shit essentially. The 1 minute, that was it. This 1 minute, what? Did I'm fading bullish order flow? No, it's not. I know myself, and I know that's not something that in the time my headspace is like, oh, I want to take that. Oh, I want to take that. Like I'm eager to take that. No, I want it to speak to me. I want it to be clear. I want it to truly speak to me. Like just straight up, like be like, yo, I'm right here. I want to feel stupid for not taking it. I don't feel stupid for not taking any of these. It's fine. It's a no news Monday. Oh, we actually had news. We had orange folder. So it's a Monday. I'm not mad at it, dude. Start the week off evading either a break even or a full stop loss. Protecting myself, protecting my capital. Nothing's wrong with that. And I'm going to continue to seek these goals for the rest of the week of, getting more comfortable on this funded account. Actually taking a trade on it, hopefully. Tomorrow I got to do that bullshit where I spend one con and get rid of one con. But yeah, I just want to get more comfortable. I want to continue to grow my discretion, continue to grow my reasoning, continue to grow my reading of price. Just continue to expand and continue to be more discretionary with my trades and actually see the little things more. That's what I want to work on. And that's what I'm going to work on. That's what I am working on because I saved myself today through that. Nothing to complain about, man. Just got to keep working every single day. Like I said, I got school right now. Oh my gosh. How the fuck do you make that shit focus? I think I got to put the... Right? Alright. This isn't what's gonna give me everything in life that I want. It's not. It's straight up not. Like, cool, I learned a couple shit, like a couple little things, but this isn't what's gonna take me far. So that's why I like, even now, I'm supposed to be paying attention, but I'd rather do the shit that matters more to me, the shit that I know puts me towards my goals in life, the shit that I know is really gonna propel me forward, not keep me within, if you want to call it the quote unquote matrix. I like to say mediocrity because that's what it prepares you for. All they talk about is go get a job, work for this guy, go do this for this guy, go do that. No, fuck you, no. So this is what it is. It's this shit. It's me versus me. It's this shit straight in front of me. There's no time to play around bullshit, fucking lose to my emotions and lose to myself essentially. Cool, it's hard enough to already beat the markets, but when you're battling yourself, that makes it 10 times harder. Fuck that, dude. There's no other option. Like, gotta go and get it. Not gonna sit here and allow myself to fall into mediocrity when I could be so much greater. Like, come on, I'm much better than that. I have goals bigger than that, and I'm gonna get those done. There's no way around it. But yeah, there goes my little chatter for the day. No trades. Hopefully tomorrow. Oh shit. Block that out. You can't know my shit. I didn't mean to hit that. Hopefully tomorrow with 10 a.m. news, more volatility in the market and a cleaner setup. Price just isn't moving well no more. Well, I don't want to say no more. It just hasn't been moving with like strong delivery. Bruh, I'm clicking everything, bro. Oh shit, I'm fucked up. Not actually, but like, no, I'm just clicking random things. But yeah, price isn't moving like just clear. It isn't moving direct. It's not giving me like, yo, I'm right here. But then again, I don't know like truly good price action. I've done summer 2025. That's I started my first ever time in the live markets was June. So maybe I'm just bullshit. Maybe I gotta be more real and be like unlock my mind. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I'll catch you tomorrow. Remember what I always tell you: dream big, set those goals so that you can achieve the bigger goal. Take the steps of it, like the stairmaster. Yeah, because you can truly, honestly, do anything that you put your mind to. For those watching this, like down the line, maybe I don't know if that's gonna happen. Well, maybe let's be more positive. When it happens, continue, continue to work. Just show up and give it your all, and that's what's gonna take you furthest. But yeah, catch you tomorrow.